Bomberman.
Hello my sweeties! We are coming back to you with a very tasty and delicious explosion tonight, so stay with us and you will see everything. I know that you guys miss my new explosion videos every week, every day, so today I'm coming back to you with a very unique and totally different explosion that I have never done it before. It will be really interesting, so very soon you will find out. Because every day, every hour, every week we get more and more offers, suggestions from you my subscribers to explode your idea that it would be shown on my channel, so that's very nice. Thank you very much. And today that offer, that idea will be exploded from you guys. One of my subscribers just gave me an idea to blow off his product. So his nickname is Mr. Narcosi.
Hello MIG, please explode bananas. Explode bananas.
Here you go, say welcome. So his choice was to blow up a big box of bananas.
Huh? Banana? What? Macareno? Banana! Banana!
Bananas. Yeah, Narcosi lives in Norway, and I think he have never seen bananas before, so that's why I think it's a dream to see how it looks like and how it explodes. And if we are talking about bananas, you know them. They are very sweet, very delicious fruit, and as you know, they are living. No, sorry, they are not living. You know, they are growing up in a warm, in a hot climate area in Africa, South America, even a bit in North America, in Australia, everywhere else where it's very hot climate. So I think in Norway there is no bananas, but I think Narcosi want to see it. So today we will show them how it looks bananas, right, and how it explodes. Wow, I think it will be really amazing. I have to call my friend Jim to introduce bananas. Oh, come here. Take a look, yeah? What we got here? Here is it. How many of them? I don't know how to calculate, but I know them that we have many bananas, as you see, and today, wow, they will not be eaten. They won't be eaten at all. All of them will be exploded in slow motion movie. So you will see it very soon. Let's go prepare it and go for explosion. This is the time to make a castle of bananas. So we have many bananas. Here you go. Very wow, cool, totally fresh just after after the cooling. Let's make a castle. So this is their time. Which way? This one, this way, another way. It doesn't matter. Okay, we will see what we can do the best. Okay, here we have, you know, step by step, and we will make a great castle for this banana explosion. Wow. Okay, I think it's kind of good. Standing kind of very tight, it's okay, looks perfect, and I think this is the time for explosion. So just take a look and watch this slow motion explosion in MIG Bomberman channel.
Bomberman.
I need more power! Jim! I need more power! Let's go ahead with a much more power!
MIG. Bomberman.
Banana explosion. Wow, what a mess. How much time I will need to clean everything. Oh my god, as always, every explosion goes wild, but this one was really wild one. I think I don't need any comments, anything around here, so just take a look around, what kind of mess we have. Totally I don't have any words, just take a look. Everything was smashed out everywhere, to the wall, just to the ground. And yeah, MIG Bomberman note. Also, this one is also very dirty. Wow, that was really great explosion. So thank you, Mr. Narcose, for your idea to explode bananas. It was really wild one. And if you have any offer, any idea for your explosion, so just let me know. Write down in a comment on this video, and I will take your idea and we will blow it off everything. So subscribe MIG Bomberman channel, follow us on social media, and next time we will blow up everything what you will offer. So see you guys next time.
MIG. Bomberman.